Alright, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to do something a little different than my usual videos. I got a kayak finally, so hopefully I'll be able to start going fossil hunting at the river to some new places using the kayak. But at the same time, I've also been enjoying some do-it-yourself projects with the kayak, so I wanted to go over some of those with you guys today. So I recently made these wraps for my kayak handles, and I thought that it was a pretty cool way of doing it. It's basically the Cobra weave, but I added an extra strand of paracord in between each segment to just kind of add some extra color to it. So first off, you got to figure out what you want your main cord color to be. In this case, my main color is the gray. And you're going to need about 6.5 feet of that. These handles are about 5 inches long, so I found that 6.5 feet leaves just enough tail end to finish it off without wasting too much paracord. As far as the middle green color, I don't actually measure that. I just kind of insert it in there. I have like 50 feet of it, and then I just use it until the wrap is done. I have not actually measured that out yet. Alright, so I was able to cut out my cord, and what we're going to want to do is you're going to want to line up the ends and basically find the center of the cord, and you're just going to wrap that around the handle just like this. You're going to put the top to the side, and then we're going to take our bottom cord, we're going to go over the top and then under the handle, and then you're going to pull that tight. So you should get something that looks like this, and then on the bottom it looks like that. It doesn't matter which side this knot ends up on, but whichever side it is, that's going to be your working end. So you're always going to have that side go over the handle while the other side's going to go under the handle. So hopefully that makes sense. We'll do a couple of them, and hopefully it'll start making sense. So now I'm going to take my accent color, which is neon green in this case, and we're going to flip the handle over, and we're just going to kind of stick it underneath the cord. So just like that. So that's just kind of being held in place by the first knot. So what you're going to want to do next is you're going to want the accent color to go over the handle. Okay. Then you're going to take your working end, you're going to go over the handle, but you're going to want to keep it on the outside of this green. Because once you tighten the knot, that's going to be how the green stays in between your knots. So that's going to come over, and then your tag end is going to go your tag end is going to go over the cords, and it's going to go under the handle, and then it's going to go through the loop of the gray cord, but not underneath the green cord. And then you're going to pull that tight, and then you're going to pull the green cord, but careful because this isn't very sturdy yet. We haven't singed that down, so gently pull on it and start tightening it and sliding it up. You can hold your finger here to keep the green cord from slipping, so you can make it a little tighter. Pull the gray cords. So now we're going to repeat that. Green cord over the handle, working end of the gray cord over the handle, tag end over top both cords, under the handle, and then through the loop for the gray cord, but not the green cord, and then pull it tight. And then as you keep working this, you can pull tight and move the cord on up so that it's nice, tight, and even. So I'm just going to do that again a couple more times just to show how it's coming along. Hopefully you can see this okay. Green over top, working end over top, tag end over top, and then under the handle, through the loop, pull tight on the gray cords, and then pull the green cord tight. And then it's just a matter of rinse, wash, and repeat until you are done. And there you have it. So this is what the underside looks like, which actually looks pretty cool too. If you wanted to have this pattern on the top, you would just do the same thing, but you would do all of this part upside down basically. So if you liked this pattern better, just flip the handle when you're doing it and do it upside down. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the tag ends and singe everything, and then these bad boys are ready to go back onto the kayak. Complete. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.